Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to unlock permanently locked Snapchat, right? So basically, if your Snapchat is locked, there is a no reason where there is a no way where you can access your Snapchat, right? So basically what we will do, we will just go to the Chrome browser here, and after that on the search bar we will type here Snapchat support, right? So basically we will type Snapchat support, and in this way you will able to see this one. So you have to just click on the first link, which is basically the original website from snapchat.com, right? And here you have to scroll a little bit down and basically click on the safety and privacy, and here I will show you what you have to do. So basically guys, in the latest version of Snapchat support, there is a no option of troubleshooting. In the last version, it was available. So what we have to do, we have to just click on the contact us, and here you have to find that I think my account was compromised, right? So you have to click on this, you have to select this one, and after that you will get this kind of form. So basically you have to enter your username here, which is a Snapchat username, then your email address, and make sure that you enter your active email address, because this is very important guys, because through the email address they will contact you and they will try to help you, right? And after that you can see the mobile number. You have to do the same thing, that mobile number is also important right here. And the description is very important, and let me tell you what you have to write it. So here you have to write it: hi Snapchat team, my account has been logged and I'm unable on use it. I have gone through all related community guidelines. I'm sure that I haven't violated any of it, and I haven't used any third-party application. Seems my account is logged mistakenly. Please unlock my account as soon as possible. Thanks, then your name. And after that you have to verify this captcha, then you have to click on send, right? So this is it guys. So if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.